Okay, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Una-una, hindi ko palalagpasin na hindi sagutin ng mga malisyoso, tahasang kasinungalingan at walang basahang mga akusasyon sa akin ni Bryce Hernandez. Hindi ako papayag na makaladkad ang aking pangalan sa mga pahayag na katang-isip at gawa-gawang salaysay. I have participated diligently and consistently in the Senate investigation because, like everyone, I want the truth to come out and weed out corruption in the government. Now, I am confident that I have not committed any illegal act. If Mr. Hernandez truly stands by his allegations, I challenge him right now to take a lie detector test with me. Let us settle this once and for all and show the public who is telling the truth. Yun lang.
Sir, do you have the intention? What do you sana gano'n ni Hernandez?
I really do not know what his evil intentions are. Siguro he wants to get even with me because I was the one who cited him in contempt at pinakulong sa Senado.
Sir, it is not true na nagpa-allocate kayo na about 335
Well,
million?
yung sa 335 million, lahat siya nasa GAA. Everybody can choose any item from the GAA at ibintang kahit kanino senador.
So wala kayong ganung pina-allocate?
Isang malaking kasinungalingan ng mga pinagsasabi niya patungkol sa pagbabako ng mga proyekto.
Sir, what do you make of it? Yung paulit-ulit yung sinasabi na hindi kasi. Parang hindi ito kahapon sa nangyayari ngayong ano yun.
Well, yung biruan lang ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin. Well, nung sinabi niyang safe ka, alam ko naman biro niya, pero in the eyes of the public, parang it was uncalled for. That's why I resented his statement.
But sa House kayo, paulit-ulit sinasabi ni Bryce na hindi.
Well, siguro kinuha lang niya yung kahapon yung pagbiro ni Senator Marcoleta sa akin.
Sir, kanina, napanood niyo yung
A little bit.
anong unang naalala niyo, sir? Parang napamura kayo or
Naggalit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling itong taon to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Will you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from that hearing, from this hearing. Malakas ang loob ko dahil I did not commit any illegal act. Si District Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dininay niya yung kay Senator Joel, dininay din niya sa akin. Oh.
Sino ko na magkakalala daw kayo ng Maynila pa?
Sino? No. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
May picture kayo ni
DPWH Engineer Alcantara, sir. Do you remember that, sir, when it was taken?
I do not know. I cannot recall that event. Pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin, hindi ko mo pwede tanggihan. Kung drug lord yun, gambling lord, malay ko naman kung drug lord yun o gambling lord, hindi ko naman matatanggihan kung sino nagpapapicture sa akin. Remember, we are all public figures here.
sir, sasampahan niyo ba ng kaso?
Yes, sasampahan ko ng kaso yan. So I have to talk to my lawyers.
Will you confront him sa next year?
If he's here, he's seeking refuge in the house already. Doesn't want to come back here.
Sa custodial standard,
I do not know. I do not know. Well, if he's going to be invited or subpoenaed here, then I will confront him.
Pero sir,